your girl Nicole, back with another video. And from the title down below, as you guys can see, I will be doing a unboxing of my new MacBook Air. So today I went to the Apple store to pick it up. And I got the 13-inch. The 13-inch 256 gigabytes. And it's on space gray because that's the only one that they had available. So this is how it looks. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And this is the first time that I have a MacBook, so I'm already hyped. And I did order a case, and it comes tomorrow. So whenever that do come, I'm gonna show you guys. Look how clean it look. It's in space gray. It's cute. I like it. We're gonna set this aside. And it comes in the box. It comes with the manual. You know, like just instruction, how to work and stuff. And it also comes with stickers. It comes with the lighting cord. And it also comes with the box. The USB box. So that is all in the box. And I'm going to also set it up for you guys. So, okay. Let me open it. Oh, it has something else inside. Like a paper. It's turning on. So now I must go ahead and I'm going to set it up. So I'm going to just put English.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Now I'm going to put my Wi-Fi. So I had went to a mall that's like an hour from where I live. But they didn't have none in stock there. So I had to order online and pick it up like 15 minutes from the mall. And I had to pick it up in a different Apple store. But at least I got my MacBook. That's the good thing. No. So I'm gonna just create a new Apple ID. So it's right now setting up my iCloud. This may take a minute, so I'll just be back whenever it brings me back to the home page. All right, so this is how it looks. I already set everything up, and I'm gonna just change the background, and I'm gonna put like a cute background because that one not really my type. So let me see. So I set my wallpaper. To like butterfly, just to make it more cuter. And yeah, so far I like it. My case will be coming in tomorrow. So whenever that come in, I will show you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna just play around in my computer, you know, get get to know my computer and everything. And yeah, stay tuned for more video. Hope you guys like this video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye. Peace.